Introducing Google Wi-Fi, a new kind of system designed to keep up with how we use Wi-Fi today, from playing to streaming to video calling. Here's how it works. You simply replace your existing router with a Google Wi-Fi point, or points if you have a larger home. These points work together with your current modem and internet service to provide fast, seamless Wi-Fi for your whole home. Google Wi-Fi is set up and controlled through a mobile app that gives you a host of features for simple, straightforward access to your network, no matter where you are. Like letting you see which devices are connected at any one time, or giving you parental control, so if it's time for dinner or time for bed, you can give them a little time off. It lets you easily find and share your Wi-Fi password with guests, and even allows you to prioritize a specific device for faster speeds, so the important stuff never gets interrupted. And Network Assist technology works in the background to make sure you always get the fastest possible speeds. It takes care of things like Wi-Fi channel selection. High traffic on the channel you're using can slow down your Wi-Fi speed. Google Wi-Fi constantly monitors to make sure you're on the least congested channel. And when you're moving from room to room, it makes sure you're connected to the closest Wi-Fi point and the strongest, fastest signal. It will even let you know if you can improve Wi-Fi performance by moving a Wi-Fi point to a better location. Designed for your home's complex Wi-Fi needs, yet simple to control. Google Wi-Fi. Home Wi-Fi simply solved.
Like this video and subscribe my channel Technology.